The Mould King 13061 off-road pickup truck kit offers an impressive assembly experience with 3,686 pieces, making it a perfect project for enthusiasts of all ages. Equipped with a motor and lithium battery, the vehicle supports Bluetooth control via a mobile application or a remote control for a dynamic and interactive play experience. Constructed from high-quality ABS and carbon fiber materials, the building blocks are durable and designed to seamlessly integrate with other brand toys. This model is not only a fun toy but also a collectible item, making it an ideal gift for both children and adult building block enthusiasts. The kit's comprehensive design allows for various interactive features such as opening doors and hoods, providing an engaging building and play experience. Mould King ensures customer satisfaction by offering a free parts replacement service if any pieces are missing during assembly.